Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. I just got back from the Super X market in Linda, California, where I picked up some goodies for this week, and I have a couple of different projects going on, but we'll get to that in a second. Last night, I prepared shepherd's pie using elk, not the traditional lamb. It was good. It was very good. Very, very, very good. I will get the recipe up for you in a little while. I was going to cook tonight, and it was going to be rotisserie chicken and stuffing casserole. Robin decided, over coffee, she wants pizza. So, Robin is in a meeting right now, a Zoom meeting, and then she has an event for work this afternoon, and she's going to pick up a Papa Murphy's pizza on her way home. So all I got to do is turn the oven on. She wants pizza. I offered to cook again, but still, she wants pizza. What kind? I don't know yet. I'll let you know tomorrow. Let's get to what I picked up over at Super X. I'm doing a dish this week that requires red curry paste. So here's some red curry paste I picked up. I normally get my red curry paste at Bel Air, but I want to save some money and I want to try something probably a little more authentic. So this is the red curry paste. I picked up I can't just pick up one. I always have to pick up 2 cans of coconut milk. And when I was perusing the aisle, I found this little gem, annatto. It's actually for a spice blend that I've been working on. So I was able to find annatto. I wasn't even looking for it, but I got it. And this caught my eye. This ox and palm corned beef. This was the most expensive item. This is let's see here, 15 ounces, so just under a pound. Because there's a soup recipe I'm looking at. It's Reuben soup. So I'm going to try this corned beef, and they had lots of different manufacturers or whatever you want to say of this canned corned beef. And as I was checking out, the gentleman behind the counter, behind the checkout stand, asked me if I had ever tried, and I thought he said lamb, but what he was talking about is this leaf. This leaf is technically, or basically, an Oriental bay leaf. And what I understand, this is what makes Asian cooking like a curry or something similar to a curry. This is what adds some of the kick. Not heat, but it adds that additional flavor. And this whole bag was $3. And basically what his name is Ted. And what he said, that once I use a few of these in my Thai dish coming up, freeze this bag. Freeze it all. It's fine. So, that's my Super X jaunt today. Haven't been here in about a month or two. It was good to kind of walk through and see all the fun stuff that they have. It's a big store. So, if you live in the area, the Sutter County, Yuba County area, go visit Super X. It's on Northfield Road. Great place. Very friendly. You'll see stuff there you've never seen before. That's why I love going. All right, on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.